Danish future made easy. I will be.
Jeg vil være.
Warm up with Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today you'll nail the Danish future of to be with laughs, quick drills, and mini dialogues. Keep your ears open and your smile ready. Your goal today. Your goal is simple. Hear it, say it, own it. I will be equals.
Jeg vil være.
The future you with a to-do list and coffee. You, sing, will be equals.
Du vil være.
Future pep talk for your best friend. He will be equals.
Han vil være.
Your punctual buddy at the door. She will be equals.
Hun vil være.
Future champion vibes. It will be equals.
Det vil være.
The weather forecast of destiny. We will be equals.
Vi vil være.
The team promise. You, plural, will be equals.
I vil være.
Coach talk to the squad. They will be equals.
De vil være.
Friends en route with snacks. Future forms fast. Repeat after me, I'll leave a beat of silence. Say it out loud. I will be.
Jeg vil være.
You, sing, will be.
Du vil være.
He will be.
Han vil være.
She will be.
Hun vil være.
It will be.
Det vil være.
We will be.
Vi vil være.
You, plural, will be.
I vil være.
They will be.
De vil være.
Mini dialogues. Let's eavesdrop on tiny scenes you can actually use. A. Will he make it? B. He will be here at 6.
Han vil være.
Her clock and sex. A. Is Anna ready? B. She will be ready tomorrow.
Hun vil være.
Clar I. Morgan. A. How's the weather? B. It will be sunny.
Det vil være.
Soulright. Pack shades. A. Can we finish today? B. We will be ready by 5.
Vi vil være.
Clar Clocken Femme. Coach. You, plural, will be amazing.
I vil være.
Fantastiski. Team. We knew it. A. Are they late? B. Relax, they will be here soon.
De vil være.
Her snart. Me. Don't worry, I will be on time.
Jeg vil være.
Till Tiden. Pinky promise. Friend. Without the map, you will be lost.
Du vil være.
Ferret Wild Uden Quartet. Use GPS. Beat and repeat. Tap your desk and speak on the beat. Comedy approved learning. Beat 1 2 3 4. I will be.
Jeg vil være.
Clap. Beat 1 2 3 4. You will be. Sing.
Du vil være.
Nod. Beat 1 2 3 4. He will be.
Han vil være.
Point to the door. Beat 1 2 3 4. She will be.
Hun vil være.
Victory pose. Beat 1 2 3 4. It will be.
Det vil være.
Weather hands. Beat 1 2 3 4. We will be.
Vi vil være.
Team huddle. Beat 1 2 3 4. You will be. Plural.
I vil være.
Crowd cheer. Beat 1 2 3 4. They will be.
De vil være.
Wave hello. Culture tip. Sound natural. Speak like a friendly Dane at Huga time. Danish future often uses vil plus infinitive for clear plans. Stick to.
Vil være.
When you mean will be. In casual speech you might also hear bliver, becomes, gets. But for this lesson keep it clean and precise with.
Jeg vil være. Du vil være. Han vil være. Hun vil være. Det vil være. Vi vil være. I vil være. De vil være.
Light a candle, sip something cozy, and practice. Lightning quiz. Answer out loud. I'll reveal the answer after a short pause. Q. Say, we will be.
Vi vil være.
Q. Say, you, sing, will be. A.
Du vil være.
Q. Say, they will be. A.
De vil være.
Q. Say, she will be. A.
Hun vil være.
Q. Say, it will be. A.
Det vil være.
Q. Say, I will be. A.
Jeg vil være.
Q. Say, you, plural, will be. A.
I vil være.
Q. Say, he will be. A.
Han vil være.
Your speaking challenge. Time to flex your future. Say each out loud. Make a promise. I will be ready at 6, include.
Jeg vil være.
Clocken sex. Encourage a friend. You will be great, use.
Du vil være.
Fantastisk. Talk plans. We will be there soon, say.
Vi vil være.
Der snart. For the team, you, plural, will be on time, try.
I vil være.
Till tiden. Prediction. It will be sunny, build.
Det vil være.
Soulright. Schedule update. He will be at home at 8.
Han vil være.
Klokken 8. Future goal. She will be a doctor.
Hun vil være.
Liege. Arrival text. They will be here at 8.
De vil være.
Klokken 8. Wrap up and good vibes. Nice work, future fluent and funny. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing the 8 heroes.
Jeg vil være. Du vil være. Han vil være. Hun vil være. Det vil være. Vi vil være. I vil være. De vil være.
For more lessons, printables, and audio drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next episode.